Z, foods. Welcome back to my channel Learn and Play. A is for apple. Apple. B is for broccoli. Broccoli. C is for cake. Cake. D is for donut. Donut. E is for eggs. Eggs. F is for French fries. French fries. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for hamburger. Hamburger. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for jelly. Jelly. K is for ketchup. L is for lime. Lime. M is for milk. Milk. N is for nuggets. Nuggets. O is for orange. Orange. P is for pizza. Pizza. Q is for quesadilla. Quesadilla. R is for radish. S is for steak. S is for steak. T is for taco. Taco. U is for udon noodles. Udon noodles. V is for vegetables. Vegetables. W is for watermelon. watermelon. X is for Simiana. X is for Simiana. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini. The end. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Bye. Watch our new videos. Bye.